All right. The second app I'll be introducing to us at this point is what we know as Gemini, right? This is also similar to ChatGPT, but then mostly most of these AI apps, they have their strength, like they have a particular aspect in which they are very much good in, like they are good at. Like ChatGPT now is good at probably maybe write ups per se in a way. Like I love it. I love generating prompts like command through ChatGPT. For image aspects, I love using Gemini, right? And to some other person that love coding, like they like using cloud AI, you understand. But now I'll be introducing what we know as Gemini. Is also an AI LLM, right? Large language model. So now this is the icon. In case you are not having it before now, you can do well to search it on your Play Store, and then you download it. So briefly I'll be walking us through on how to use the app, right? So now this is how the interface will look like. All right, you do well to do that so that you can get access to your history. So as you can see, these are my history on the app, and also here also you can pin at least, I think, if you are not a pro user, you can pin um 4 previous engagement at once. So now if you want to use it, we have the aspect of image, we have the aspect of creating music. You can actually create music using this Gemini app, and then you can write anything. Okay, so now mostly what I do is that I make use of this text aspect, like anything I want to do. For example, maybe I want to upload a file to edit, or I want to upload a particular for example, maybe I have a CV on ground and there's a particular new job I needed to apply for. So I can upload my previous CV and then tell Gemini to use the information on the previous CV to apply for the new job, to revamp my CV or to upgrade my CV so as to suit the new position I want to apply for. So, and after everything, I'll just tell ChatGPT or this Gemini. The anything you can do with Gemini, you can also do it with ChatGPT. So now you tell Gemini after the result that bring it out for me in a PDF format. So of which it will do whatever you command. So now most of the times, if I want to use images, if I want to generate a particular image, I make use of either Gemini or ChatGPT. And if I want to make use of Gemini, I do come to this place. There's a place here signifying flash, right? I do change it to pro. I change it to pro for me to get the best of what I want, right? So I can say now generate an image of of a Nigerian guy wearing suit while standing in front of a bank. So now let's go with this and see what Gemini will give to us. So this mostly, but I would really advise us at times, if you want to make use of you know this Gemini, we should usually go with this pro, right? This pro, it has switched again. So if you want to use it again, you have to go back, switch it. But at times you'll be given you know limited number of picture you can generate using pro. So for example, maybe if you generate a particular images with pro, right, and then they said you can no longer use pro, why not you can switch to another model? It's not that they will give you something that is not good, okay, just that the rate of perfection in pro is on a high side compared to this flash and then to light, right? So As you can see, these are picture, the image we just generated now. And then as you can see, the detail is so awesome, talking about the name of the bank, the environment, and all sorts, right? So if you want to download, you click on this aspect and then you download your image. So automatically it will be appearing in your gallery. All right.